In this video, we are going to show you how we cook this bowl of sambal chili. Here's our plate of nasi lemak. Please follow the link in the description below on the recipe for the nasi lemak rice and the other side dishes. We have here 200 grams of shallots, 4 cloves of garlic, 50 grams of ikan bilis, 1 bowl of dried chillies, 8 fresh red chillies, 2 stalks of lemongrass, and 1 tablespoon of belacan, which is not shown here. Grind the shallots, garlic and lemongrass into a paste. We start by frying this blended paste. We have to fry until it becomes fragrant. This is after about 10 minutes. Add the ikan bilis. Continue to fry for 3 minutes. We can now add the chili paste from the fresh and dried chilies. We have to fry this for another 20 minutes. This is after 5 minutes. This is after 10 minutes. And this is after 15 minutes. This is after 20 minutes, and we can now add the balacan. This is 1 tablespoon of belacan mixed with some water. Fry for 1 minute. Add sugar to taste. We are adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe and share the video with your family and friends.